everyone, welcome to KY Code and Create. Today we will be doing another one of our fun projects where you guys get to watch me code and you can find another platform and make some of your own projects and add on to them. So in today's video we'll be doing a university admission form. So these aren't real forms that I make, they're just projects that are fun to do. So in this exercise, we're going to create an admission form for a fake university. And I'm gonna add and teach you guys how to make boxes, add backgrounds, and make it look like a form as well. So let's start. So first we need to look at our desired result, otherwise we won't know what we're doing. So here's our desired result. This is basically what we're trying to get our output from. So it's just basically something to give us inspiration. So we're like, okay, so we need a background of a university. We need a white box that has our name, a gender, date of birth, country, address, contact, course, and a submit button. So we're just going to add all of these. To see our output, we click on your output, but right now we don't have one because we haven't started coding yet. So we'll go back to desired result, and I'll add our four main tags: HTML, keep on forgetting the L, head, title, and body. So let's first add the title, otherwise nothing will show up. So we have to go to the title and we'll write school. Actually, we should write university because it's for uni. So we'll write uni admin. Okay, now we close the title tag and we'll click enter and close the head tag so everything comes up. Now we're going to go into body and we're going to get an image of a random university. So I'll go in body, I'm going to write style equals to double quotes, background image, and I'll write as well, colon, and URL, double quotes, and the brackets, quotation marks, whatever you want to call it. Then I'm going to go into Google and I'm going to search up image of uni. Okay, so here are some images. There's something else that's shown up. It kind of looks like it's like a food that kind of looks like sea urchins. University. I think that will, yeah, that works. Now we'll pick an image from here. Let's go with this one. This actually looks pretty similar to the image here. Not the same, but similar. Okay, this kind of looks a bit blurry, so we'll look for another one. Okay, this is pretty good. I'm going to open this image in a new tab. I'm just going to copy the URL from here, and then I'm going to go back to Sandbox, close this, and I guess we could keep the Google tab open just in case we need to search up more images, but we probably won't. But I'll just paste the link here. We'll see what the size is. So I'll click on run. Okay, not bad. I was hoping that the actual image would come more in the middle. But if we... Okay, yeah, that's good. It's coming out if we spread it out more. Okay, so that's good. So now we'll go back to the desired result, and we're going to try and get this box-like thing. So to do this, we just need to add padding and margin and width. But to get the form-like boxes, we need to open a form tag. And in that form tag, we'll write style equals to double quotes, padding, let's go with 200 pixels, margin to 10%. What else? Width, we'll do 100 pixels, and color, well, we should write background color because it is the background. I'll just write background, and then I'll just change this to color, and then I'll write white. Just like that. So when we click on run, there's a box. So this is a bit too long. See, okay. That's pretty good. Let's maybe change the padding to 100. Okay. Let's go with 150. How was that? Okay, good. That's pretty good. So now we are going to see, okay, that's better. Okay, now we're going to try and get these boxes in. So to do that, we're going to click enter here, and I'm going to open a label tag, just like this. I'm going to write name, close the label tag, open a br/tag, which makes a break, and I'm going to write input type equals to double quotes and write text. So that, as you guys can see, there's this box here. When we type in the box, we can type any kind of text. So we would write our name in it. So if I click run, here we have our box. Okay. Perfect. So now we have to open a gender tag. So instead of using radio buttons, because we haven't really looked at those, I'll teach you another way on how to do this. We're going to open another BR tag, and I'm going to open label and open input type equals to double quotes. We could use radio and checkbox. This is how we would do it, but we're not doing that. So we'll go back with the label tag. We're going to write gender, and we have two options. So we're going to open a option tag, or it was select. Instead of option being at the start, I'm going to click enter. I'm going to write select like this, and option we can write and this. Okay, now we'll click enter, close select. I'm just going to add some codes here, and then we'll click run, and now we have a drop down here. So I'm going to add a br/tag, so this comes from goes underneath. br/run. Perfect. And I'm going to try and make this a bit bigger. So I'm going to write style equals to double quotes width as 30 pixels. Okay, that's too small. 100. 300. Okay, that's too long. Let's go with 250. Okay, that's pretty good. But I think we can make it a bit smaller, so 150. Yes, that's exactly what I needed. Now we can also do an option as select. So option, so that people know that, oh, we need to select an option. That it's just not one option you can pick from, because maybe they might not see the drop down and they're like, what, you can only pick this? Guess I can't do this. So we'll write select. Close the option tag. The select tag is already closed, so when we click on run, the first thing will come up is select. And we can write our name down. Okay, now we'll go back to the desired result, and it says date of birth. So we're going to be a br/tag and open a label tag. And in this label tag, we're going to write date of birth. Open another br/tag. To make it less, the reason why we add the br/tag is to make everything less crowded, so it's not all jumbled up. Otherwise it just looks messy, so that's the reason why we use it. Input type equals to double quotes, and we'll write type equals to double quotes, and we'll write date like that. And now we will add enter br/, so that when we click on this, it will come up like this. You add your date of birth, or you can pick it like this, so it's easier for people to put it in. Enter, and then add country. So add another label tag, and then this one will write country. br/input. Input type equals to for country, let's write in here. We'll do text, because there's a lot of countries that we might have never known. So we'll close this and click enter. Open another br/tag. Open a label tag. And in this one, we'll write address. br/input type equals to, and let's do for this text as well. Oh, that's not closing. Okay, there we go. Now we open another br/tag and contact. So for this, we'll pick numbers, because I'm pretty sure contact means phone number, I think. Let's just do that. Label And we'll write contact. Okay, there we go. Close the label tag. I'm just adding some colons to make it look more professional, even though it's not, but it's fine. Okay, now we'll open another BR slash. We're using lots of BR slashes. I don't think I've ever used so many BR slashes in my entire life. Now, here we need to open an input tag. Type equals to full contact. We'll do. Let's go with number, yeah. Because I'm not so sure what else that would go there. Okay, now next one is checkboxes, but we haven't really looked at that so much, so we'll just do drop downs for now. BR slash, close that, and then click enter, open the label tag, and we'll write, I'm pretty sure it's course, so course, we'll write course. Open another BR slash, open an actually we're doing drop down, so for that we'll open select, and we'll do style equals to double quotes. What did we do? Okay, we did width 150 pixels. Perfect. Close that and open an option tag. Open the option tag, and I'm pretty sure it's graduation, or I'll open it in a new tab so I can get a better look. That will take some time. So I'm just gonna open another option tag. Oh, it's ready. And it says graduation and point graduation. Or it either says post. Let's just write graduation and post graduation. Close that, and then close this select tag. Perfect. Now all we need to do, add a BR slash tag, and then open a submit button. So to do that, we're gonna write button and write submit. Perfect. Oh, button. Okay. Now we'll make this button a bit bigger, even though it's smaller here. So we'll go style equals to double quotes. Let's also add a background color to it, so it stands out. To light green. And then also add the width. Width as 150 pixels, and I'm going to put this in the center. So we'll open a center tag and close the center tag. Let's see how that goes. Perfect. That looks really nice. I really like that. So just to make sure it all works, we're going to write our name. Not going to put my real name in. Gender. Date of birth. I'm putting random stuff in. Country, address, contact, and course. Submit. And then it just resets. For the course part, I'm gonna also add another option tag, just like I did with the gender one. I'm gonna write option and then write select, so people know that you have to select an option. It's not like a fixed one. Just like that. I'm just checking to make sure everything's closed. Close the form tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag, see if anything else needs to be closed. That's it. So we'll just check one more time, make sure everything's working. I'm also going to have a look at this. So this is what comes up if you click on this little calendar here. So we can just pick this 28th of the 1st, 2025, even though I actually wasn't born then, because that's this year. So, country, we'll write Clarity Land, address, contact, course of graduation, and submit. Okay, everything's working exactly how it was supposed to, so I'm going to click mark as complete. And I'll just sign off from there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Look out for more of our videos. I'll continue putting some on so you guys can learn to code with me. Thank you for watching KY Code and Create, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!